Hello, this is Randy Schuneman from Bulldog Rooter. Today's date is January 23rd, 2017, and we're doing a video inspection at 908 East 29th Avenue in Spokane, Washington. Right now we're looking at the city sewer that actually runs north and south immediately east of the house and ties into the sewer main at 29th. As you can see here, it's a ceramic tile line. I was just had a lot of trouble finding this on the SpokaneWastewater.org website. Called down there and talked to a gentleman that has emailed me a schematic of this sewer line. It's a really short line. It's only about 32.5 feet long. Right now we are looking at the city sewer. Right here is where you tie into it. We had no backups initially when we got here, and I've cabled this about, in fact you can see my swirl marks in here. I've gone fast, I've gone slow, but I've cabled this probably about 9 times trying to get this opened up. Right here's about 30 feet. Aspect-wise, the bottom of the pipe is in the lower left-hand corner to lower right-hand corner of the screen. You'll be able to identify it, of course, now by the running water. And I have the light will show there also. Right here we have a monstrous root ball, and it looks like we might have a slight separation here. I've been through this thing about 8 times trying to clean it up, and this is the best I was able to do right here. Looks like a little bit of tinfoil there. As I pull back, the line looks really good except for this one area. I can see dirt and roots above it, and of course we have roots coming in around the sides. It looks like this may have separated, and I was actually just working through dirt possibly. There could also be a clean-out tee out there somewhere that has wasn't capped and had roots growing down through it. As we pull back, you can see a lot of the debris that was built up. Aspect-wise, bottom of the pipe is still in the lower right-hand corner, moving to the right-hand side. We're coming up on about 20 feet here. Again, this is a ridiculously short line. This is where it, 27 feet, where it ties into metal. You can see the difference in the material. This is actually within a few feet of the outside foundation wall. It should be in the west-southwest corner of the house. Very normal looking iron pipe here. Looks like we have good grade under the house. This is all iron, of course. A little Y here. That was probably where it possibly ties into the basement toilet. And we're continuing to pull back, coming up on 20 feet right here. Bottom of the pipe is now shifted to the upper left-hand corner. The wisps that you see in the screen are actually sewer gas and methane gas coming back towards the house and going up the roof vent. Bottom still at the top of the screen, bottom of the pipe still at the top of the screen, coming up on 10 feet here. Continuing to pull back. Bottom shifting now to the right-hand side of your screen. And it looks like we're getting pretty close to the clean out here. And right here, we're coming out the clean out in the kind of storage room under the house. Again, this is Randy Schuneman from Bulldog Rooter. Today's date is January 23rd, 2017, and that will conclude the video inspection for 908 East 29th Avenue in Spokane, Washington. Thank you for choosing Bulldog Rooter.